Hello, everybody. Today we'll start a new chapter 6, Dictionaries and Sets. Before, we have discussed the 3 built-in sequence collections: strings, lists, and tuples. Today, now we consider the built-in non-sequence collections. So today we'll start non-sequence collections, which are dictionaries and sets. Okay? Dictionary is an unordered collection with stores, key and its value, pairs that map immutable keys to value. So we'll talk about that in details. So the key cannot be changed. The value, we can change the value, but we cannot change the key of the dictionary. We'll take a lot of examples. So the dictionary is key and its value. The value we can change it, but the key is unique. Immutable keys, such as a conventional dictionary maps words to definitions. The same word has many definitions. Now, a set also, it's an ordered collection of unique immutable elements. So set, it's only as elements, but fixed element. We cannot change its element. Okay, so let's start. A dictionary associates keys with its values. Each key maps to a specific value. A dictionary's keys must be immutable, such as strings, numbers, or tuples, and unique, as we said. Multiple keys can have the same value. Multiple keys can have the same value, such as 2 different items codes in any store or shop or mall or supermarket or anything that have the same quantity in stock. Example, if you have here keys, it can be number, or it can be strings, or it can be tuples. Okay, example, labne, inside the supermarket or any store, they have right now as a quantity, value as a quantity, 15 boxes, and za'atar 15 boxes, so, or 15 kilogram or whatever. So the key is unique, but the value, it can be changed or have same value. So multiple keys can have the same value. Okay, now how to create a dictionary? Let's start by enclosing in curly braces. So the curly braces now in Python is obligatory. All the statements before are optional. Now it's obligatory. So braces are obligatory. Then a comma separated list of key value pairs, each of the 4 key 2-point value. So first, we must if you want to create an empty dictionary with open and close braces. So open and close braces means that the dictionary is empty. Example, here, country codes equal open and close, open here and close the braces, it's obligatory. Then we must put the key value. Here, the key is string, Finland, between single quote or double quote, 2 points, FI. the value is fi. Okay, double quotation or single quote, comma. So this is the first element inside the dictionary. So the first element inside the dictionary is has pair, one pair. Each pair, it is element in dictionary. Each pair, key, value, comma, South Africa between quotation or single quote, 2 points as ZA, comma, Nepal, and P. So comma is obligatory. So in dictionary, we have obligatory to put braces and comma separator, comma separator. So if I just call the country codes, the output will be dictionary between braces, comma separator, strings. You can put a number here, of course. We can combine key and value as number, as string, as list, as tuple. Okay. Any question, Hon?
No, doctor.
Okay. Here also, if you want to use the built-in function length, len, also len country code will be 3 elements. We have 3 pair, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have 3 pairs, key value pairs. Okay, so length of the dictionary, it's not 6, it's 3 pairs. Okay, perfect. Now let's go inside. We can use call method clear to delete the dictionary's key value pairs. We can also we can use the dictionary as a condition without equality or inequality to determine if it is empty dictionary means false condition. Non-empty dictionary means or evaluates to true condition. Example here. Before, country code has elements, has pairs, has 3 elements or 3 pairs. Okay, now if we implement the call method clear, country code dot clear, so the country code will be empty. So if we put it, the country code, dictionary country code, in the condition, if we put it like if country code, if it's empty means false, it's not empty will be true. So for this code, if else, if country code print country code is not empty, else print country code is empty. So because we clear the country code, the dictionary, we clear it, so it's empty, the condition will be false. So this code will print the else part. We'll go to the else and then print country code is empty. Okay, so no need to put here any condition. It is the dictionary, it is a condition. It is a condition. No need to put equal, double equal, less than, or bigger than, or anything else. Okay, just write the dictionary name here, and if it is empty means false, empty false, non-empty true. Okay, any question? Good. Now also we have call method items. So dictionary method items returns each key value pair as a tuple, not a list, as a tuple. As a tuple, so we cannot change. Okay, example, if we have example, a dictionary called days per month equal between quotation, we put first pair key value January 2.31 is integer without quotation, comma February is a string, you must put single quote or double quote, 2 point integer 28, comma March 2.31. So this dictionary has 3 pairs, 3 elements, 3 pairs. Now if I want to use the item dot items method. So days per month dot items will show us the dictionary items between parentheses and put it as a tuple here, a list, but inside it's a tuple. January, comma 31, comma between parentheses February, comma 28. So because it's parentheses, so it is a tuple or couple. It's a couple, okay? So this couple, we cannot change it. We cannot change it. We cannot change February. Also, we cannot change 28 or 31 because it's inside a tuple. First, we need to convert it to a list. Then inside a list, you can change only the value, but we cannot change the key. So again, if we use dot items, this dictionary will convert it to tuples elements as a couples or tuples. Okay. Now I want to go through a dictionary using for loop. Okay. If I want to enter deeply inside the couples or tuples or elements or key value pairs, I want to use, of course, for loop. So for months, day, n days underscore per month dot item. So as you can see here dot item, the output will be exactly as is. Okay, as it is that. So January 31, February 28, March 31. Now we have, as you can see, for each element here, for each pair, we have two variable key value. So here for months, comma days, it must be equality here. Two variable here must include here only two variable. Okay, so for months, comma days, n dot item, days per month dot item. So the months will be equal to January. The days will be equal to 31. Okay, for the first iteration. Then print months has days. So January had 31 days. So now we assign the variable months to be equal to the key value January now. Then we assign the days variable to be integer value for the value of the pair 31. You got the idea? You got the idea? Perfect. So for months, comma days in dictionary.item means I want to split this pair to two variables. Key variable alone, value variable alone. If I use for loop n with two variables, so I want to split it, decompose the dictionary to break the pair, So months will be January has 31 days. Next iteration will be next element, next pair. So for the next pair, the new value of the months will be February. The new value of the days will be 28. Then print February has 28 days. Then March has 31 days. Then out of range or null will be exit. Okay? Any question? Good. Now, example. We'll make some operations inside the dictionary. If we have, for this example, if we have Roman numerals, big 1, 1, Roman 2, Roman 3, 5, 10. Here, X is 10. It's not a 100. So we need to correct it. So here, we write it a false and correct it. So big I, it's 1. 2 big I is 2. 2 big 3 is 3, and so on. V is 5. X will be 10, not 100. So because 100, it is a value, we can change the value. But we cannot change X and V. We cannot. So we want to access the value associated with a key. Now we want to enter the dictionary and access the value of each key by using this. So if I call similar to list or tuple, if I put the name of the dictionary between braces, the name of the key will give us its value. Okay? So here, between brackets, we put the key. We search about this key. Example V will be 5. So I want to update the X key to be 10. So just write this: Roman numerals X equal to 10. So we can change the value of the key of 10. Just assign it. Roman numerals X equal to 10. Then 10 is replaced by, we replace 100 by 10. Okay, so we correct the dictionary. We change the value of a key X. Any question? Any question? Good. Now, I want to add a new key value pair to existing dictionary. So assigning a value to a non-existing key, insert the key value in the dictionary. So we want to add a new key value pair to existing dictionary. What we do? Just put something like that. Roman numeral L equal 50. So first we'll search about L. So by default, the Python will search about L. If L is found, then return to you the number or whatever, or replace it the value by 50. If it's not found, if L is not found here, okay, insert it as a key pair, key value pair. So insert a new key L 2.50. So in that statement, first the Python in dictionary will search about L. If it's found, okay, so the value of this L will be replaced by 50, similar to this. Roman X equal 10. First, the Python will search about X. He has X. So just when it's found X, just replace what is the value, old value, we don't care, replace it by 10. Similar to here. Was 100, replace it by 10. But if here L equal 50, no L found inside the dictionary, so add a new key value pair. Add a new pair with L key 2.50 as value. Okay? Now we're adding a new pair. Now we want to remove a key value pair. Just write del space and put the index of the dictionary. So Roman 3, delete Roman 3. So 1, 2, 3 is deleted, VXL. Okay? So just write del space your dictionary and the key value. Sorry, the key. Okay? Only the key will be removed. Okay? Any question? Good. Now, I want to search and testing whether a dictionary contains a specific key. I want to search about this key. So now we want to search about a key if it's found inside a dictionary. Okay, so imagine that the dictionary acts as a database, as a storage database. Okay, so dictionary has keys and its value. So similar to data structure database. You will took this in another course called data structure. Okay, so we use in Python we use operators n and not n can determine whether a dictionary contains a specific keys or not. Example here, v n Roman numerals, if it is okay true, if it's not will be false. Okay, so 3, we remove the 3 from the dictionary, so 3 here 3 in Roman numeral, no, false. Okay, we can use not n, 3 not n, true. Not n, true means it's not include. Okay, so we can just put the key, use n or not n, and put your dictionary name here. So the key, n or not n, and your dictionary. The output will be true or false. Okay. Now, also we have 2 other methods, keys and values. For example here, months, January 1, February 2, March 3. We have 3 pairs here. Okay, I want to split it. Similar using for loop, but now we can split it in another way using keys and value. So for month's name, in months.keys, keys will output only the key values, only the key, and leave the values, its values. So dot keys print month's name and space. So the output will be January, February, March, without their values, only the key value. Okay, only the keys. So here, if I want dot keys means I want to split the pairs only by key. So January, February, March. Also, the same code for months number and months dot values. If I want to use value method, here we use key method. Now I want to use values method, print months number, comma, and space, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so in keys value, in keys method, we remove only the keys, January, February, March. In dot values, we take out only the values of each pair, 1, 2, 3. You got the idea? You got the idea? Any question here?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. We'll talk, of course, you will talk for next many examples on that with Mr. Hadi on your lab, okay? Don't worry about that. You will get many examples of that. Now, I want to add a new pair. As before, just write the dictionary and put the keys, December, equal 12. So if December is found, the value will be replaced by 12. If it's not found in the dictionary, will be added at the end of the dictionary. Always will add it at the end of the dictionary. So here, December 12 will be added to the end of the dictionary. Okay? Now I want to convert dictionary keys value to a list. So just write list. List months.key will output as a list for keys January, February, March, December. Also, list months.value will output as a list. The output will be as a list with the value of each keys above 1, 2, 3, 12. Also, if I want to list months.item here, The key will give us only the keys. Dot values will give us only the values of each keys. Now dot item will give us as a couple. List contains couples. Couples, January 1, February 2, March 3, December 12. So dot item, the output will be couple, not couple or tuple, okay? Couple, key, and its value as a couple. List month.item will be, these couples will be elements inside a list, okay? Dot values, the list will be contains only the values of the keys. Dot keys, the list will be contain only the keys, okay? Any question here? Good. Now, I want to processing these keys in sorted order. Just use, we can sort it. For months in sorted months.keys, now I want to sort this, okay? I want to sort this, okay? Sorted months.keys will give us February, December, January, March, okay? F is before D, okay, G and March, okay? This is sorted. Now, example. We finish. Example. Dictionary of student grades. Example here, using Python, PyChar. You will use this example, also a bigger example in your lab. Grade book equal open braces, close the braces, okay? Open, close. First element or first pair will be Hafiz al-Khatib. This is the key, 2 points. A value, its value. Here, the value, it's a list. It can be number, string, or a list, or a tuple also. So here we have a list. This list is the grades of Hafiz. Comma. The second element inside, or the second pair will be Lin Abdo, between quotation, 2 points. Another list for 3 courses. Comma. Miriam Elia, a list. Dawood, a list. Okay? So if I want to print gradebook.items, this dictionary, we define this dictionary. Okay? We assign a new dictionary here. Now I want to print them out, but .items. So the output will be each pair as a couple in a list. Okay? The output will be each pair as a couple in a list. So we have a list, 2 braces, first couple, parenthesis, first element, the key, comma, value, a list, comma, another parenthesis, key, comma, value, and so on. Do you get it? Any question? It's clear?
Yes, clear, Doctor.
Perfect. Good. Now, if I want to print gradebook.keys, here we print .items. The items, the output will be as a list and a couple. Okay, couple inside a list. Now, .keys, the output only will print the keys as element in a list. So will be only the keys without the values. So the output will be a list contains the keys of the dictionary. Dot values will be output a list inside the values of each keys. Here we have another list. Here we have list. Okay? It's clear? Good. Now, the last command will do split. the split. If we have example 2 here, if we have string 1 equal between double quotation, this code will split the word in this string, backslash, enter by your mouse, open another quotation, and put them as element inside a list and count the word. So in Python, we can use that as a new line. Okay, we can use that. You can put backslash n. You can put here backslash n before quotation, but also we can use backslash without anything. Just backslash means a new line. But here backslash is outside the quotation, outside the double quotation here and here. Okay, in between means a new line. But you can put it inside backslash n to be a new line. Okay, so it's another way to enter a line. Now I want to print string 1 dot split. So split, the functionality of split will split this strings to each word. The output will be a list has elements as each word. This alone, comma, code, another word code, another element will alone split the word, and so on and so on and so on. Okay, so dot split will split the string. It will be used only on the string. Okay, will split the string to split the string as each word alone. Okay, it splits the sentence, the paragraph to each word. So each word will be element inside a list. Then if I want to count them, I want to count these strings or sentence. So we use len. Len string 1 dot split and parentheses. So will be 21. 21 word. We have now 21 words inside this string. Okay, will be 21. Here, the words 3 points, no space, considers as one word. If we put here space 3 points, so 3 points will be another word, another element inside the list, will be 22. Then if we put space here, the number will be 22. So the line will be counted as element. So this is split work on space. For each space, they split before. What happened before? This space, stop, take this and put it on first element. Then code, C-O-D-E, no space, no space, C-O-D-E, space, stop, and take this C-O-D-E code in another element, and so on and so on and so on. Okay? We finish chapter 6. You will take many examples in your next lab, okay, about dictionary and sets. You will get many examples. Okay, any question? Any question? Good.